sex made it.
Yamani, Bankula Katakom, Mr. Bankula Katakom, Yamani, anyway, wow. Bankula Katakom, Yamani, there's a swamp, Madame Bassania. Mr. Bankula Katakom. I said,
Hey.
I
want to say, me to say so na first best no coach ma training. Kwani coach me ha training sama ine de ye aduane na anwa no ne we how am mixing your mother ye kwani coach me.
Na wonya chef.
Hey, wunim nipa me ye.
Ana be na wona ochi nkukom na chef na wunim me ma ye de ye aduane.
Nyama me mo approach ni. Ati.
Mama ye yi da waka wana. Masa otu obi a ye chef ni mo adwuma na ya fo adwuma na ba di ata wa ni ase.
Wunim nipa me ye.
Wo ya wan.
Ya kasi yenye aduane ya woni aduane me ye.
Masa ma ye.
Me kan chesu ko chire aduane yo. Me se ko na ko chire ba bia sa na o manigu.
Minim ba aduane ma no. Wa ye ba chon ye chon ma da wo chire o. Sa ha na o ba ye aduane so so hu ba aduane ma bi agu. Wo chire chon ni nyina nya fe na be ha ma bi masa.
O madam.
Chon wona ye.
Maame. Me report o madam ati.
Me mfa ho.
Wunim nipa me ye.
Wo ya wan. We are going to say we are president. We are mama.
My mom will say me anto.
And I am coming at a mess. Bro.
I will sack you.
You sack me. You can't sack me. You do. I will tell madam to sack you.
If you shout, I will beat you.
You do. I will spank you. You understand? Hey. Aso.
Madam.
Madam.
I salute you, madam.
Yes,
I came to this girl to tell her to go and show me something there. She started shouting and insulting me anyhow. How can you do that?
We are crossing you on. We are crossing you on. It's a complaint I am to say for winning in I know.
Did you know this?
How you are? Okay, what about fear from our bank to be in? Oh, sorry, now what's that? Okay, come out your channel.
You see what I will do?
Yes, sir.
He didn't ask the question regularly. He was so rude.
He was rude.
Yeah, he was rude to me.
Did you know the countries have been there to cook for them?
Madam, you see.
I've cooked for so many presidents. Do you know me?
No. But you know that respect is reciprocal.
Yeah. Yes,
I to me and be rude towards her.
No,
and
madam.
She will be nice to you.
I came to hear her and say, madam, please come and show me where. I nearly kneel down.
Hey! Madam is mad.
But she started insulting me.
Don't give me headache. Problem with you. I say, the next time I hear any complaint, you wouldn't like
it. Please, madam.
Thank you.
Excuse me, madam. Madam.
How far with the food?
The food is on process.
My boyfriend is very hungry, so you have to hurry up.
Show me something there. I saw a biscuit and bamboo. Should I mix it?
Watch, baby. Watch. Kaso be ya papa bia ma ko fa kurasi ni tibo ko so ba se ni nyansa po ka se me hojo. Ba be se
be fast with this wife. Papa ya me fast. Come dey no. Me person me starve no. So please hurry up.
Ya be na kuma tie o apete hia na kuma tie.
Hey, when me dey enter me anto bro. Me ti mo dey papa.
Na me wonu dey enter fam so ko bere ta bere.
I dey enter.
Me den sa buo fo sa.
And I mean no be.
Ko ta bere na ko busa. Be ma me so me se na tu me chesa.
Ti wa bro papa wo.
So me di wa bro.
Which means so me say that sa bo ma den ba ma say so a kire me.
No say so a kire. So me wo ba bo ba ma da.
Let us have a catch up. Me dey me family.
Okay.
Wah.
If I show you,
Wah.
okay, I won't.
I hope I did someone. Hi. Oh, hello. Wah. Gynel. Oh. Bobby. Oh.
Hey.
Antoro. Onyo. Bra. Best cooker. Best international cooker. Bra. Mumra.
Who are those?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Munya.
I'm okay.
You shut Gynel.
Oh, Paul's okay.
Yeah, it will pay. Very weak in the command.
Yeah, be on P. My friends is here also me.
Like, first say.
Goldish. One can't trust me, but say.
What she will pay?
Hey, no one carry me on.
Who not born you, man?
Hey, what you say?
Madam,
Hey,
one light and light. I come out.
Yeah, when you pay me, I need to wait for you.
I didn't know where.
What's the problem?
I'll be back.
Ionia,
Siri.
Blah.
What call there?
You're welcome.
But oh, boys, this one how?
What is serious?
I don't stress the same.
Come on, follow me. Let's
Suck
go.
your where we live. Huh? Hey, that's how we are careful. Hey, Miss Hopper.
Madam,
What's the problem?
other woman. Maybe a professional outman. I told say I've been back here.
Mole. Be very careful. Be very careful.
Madam, I need somebody move.
Mole, go back to your post.
Aye.
Go to your post.
Sorry, aye. So.
See that? Gynel, nothing I'll pay you to. I don't hear it. Hey, Mr. Cook or chef, go back to your post. Hurry up.
Where else you want to
It's a simple thing. That's not because you're let's see, okay. So, moon child, Mom, they say I'm your motor.
Me refia me hu madam to anam say
Aye, oni nada.
Na sao na na fofo nya to so.
Madam no ya prema yo. Afia no madam me say obetime che pancho kwan no to. Odi bafia.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
I will prepare them something delicious and something
I believe
amazing.
You. I believe you.
You don't worry.
I know you.
I will make them feel Trebian.
Don't worry. Oh my brother.
I'm going to my post.
Please, my food is not coming.
Don't worry.
I heard you are in the
Ojuan and everybody see. Why? Na me cost rob some do.
Hey, oh kwa
me ko bu some do obedi.
Oh madam Fred.
Hey, I am the chef. I have to welcome them.
I know.
Hey, Master Nimechi, go to your post.
Hi, welfare. Oh, chef.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Chef.
Hello.
Oh, you guys are so welcome.
Thank you. Wow. Oh, nice. So,
Of course.
video here.
Feel free. Enjoy. Relax. Come and have a sit.
Now you show me.
Let's work as a mental show.
We just not proud.
Environment is cool. Yeah. Feel comfortable. Oh, sweetheart. Why introduce you Adam for now?
Oh, Missy, sorry. Your friend of Debbie. Debbie.
Nice
Gynel.
meeting you. Okay, I can see a Gynel. And see, please, what can I say? I have wine here.
Aye.
For the
About Akum. Perfect.
what's for wine? Maybe that's not in China. Maybe I will see it. What can I offer you guys? I already have wine here.
Oh, the disposable brand.
Jane.
Oh, yeah.
But now position.
Chili Mama. Oh,
Sit
I'm
here.
still in China.
Feel comfortable. Thank you. Ladies, do you know something? I got my boyfriend here.
Hey. When was that?
Oh, that was like a month ago. I know best
never told me.
But on call back here.
Bad friend.
It's baby, I'm in control.
No, yeah.
Boy.
Oh,
So I'm going to bring him
Oh.
and introduce him to you girls.
okay.
Yeah.
We can't wait.
Okay. It's
Don't forget the disposable. Okay.
Yeah, sure, I'll bring it. Take care.
Okay, lady.
I'm still at home. More enjoying.
I pay for some water.
Water too. Okay, sure. I'll be back right now.
Okay.
Hey, Jane. We can stop the back and have Jane. Boy.
Hello. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, don't be upset, okay? Just feel free. That's why I am. You don't know if you don't know a person.
What do you want?
You don't need to upset the person. I'm afraid. I'm a mungo. I'm a mungo. What's the reason?
I'm actually going to say, I'm mad you.
Oh, besides, many others will be some myself.
You try to show me one.
Oh, sure, you can do it. Are you okay now? Are you okay? Nice one. Mama, show me. I'm afraid. Oh, besides, many packet one. But life, something called life. The word called life is something else. Me did the chef, Antobro.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yes, Antobro. Ukraine need a Russian talker. Chef, a Joe Biden, US president. I told himself a man couldn't wait. And the mom who are blown to a bomb in your
Hey, what is that?
Mommy, don't rush.
Joe Biden, it's me card.
Don't rush. You know, I am a feeling boy and I am a feeling guy. You know, mommy?
Yeah. So I'm doing this.
Oh, sure.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing here? And you are sitting down. Whilst I'm talking.
Oh, sorry. You know, madam, don't be offended, okay? I came to ask them what they will eat. The food.
My friend, get out.
Are you the person to ask them?
My friend, get out. Video for me, friend. Crasinis.
Okay.
What cup, my
Never
friend?
means you only disposable cups.
For
them.
Okay, let me tell the girl she will bring it.
My friend. Hey, go and bring it.
You said?
Go and bring the disposable cup. Fast.
Don't be silly, yeah? Hey, God, they're right there. You see what I was telling you? I said, Mama, it's some fear. And yeah, you say, oh. Hey, no matter who's got I'm sad. And what's me up for chef? I know you're the Ukraine president.
Hello.
Oh, why do you say that?
I'm sad.
Sister. What's me up for chef? Or you're the Ukraine president?
Why?
Hello, madam. Excuse me.
What are you doing here?
One more time, please. I want to ask if I should go and take the disposable cup, the big or the smaller one.
Hey,
Are
you serious in life?
Please, can I hear something?
Get me the medium size.
The medium size.
Yes, and water. She needed water.
Water. Please, what water will you drink?
Which water is available?
Go. Clear yourself. My friend.
Won't you drink water?
I said which water is available. Hey, everybody.
We have bottled water and sachet water. And
Okay,
also
bottled
bomb tray,
water.
the pipe one.
Oh, okay, I want a bottle water.
You want the bottle one?
Yeah.
Hello, excuse me. Beautiful lady. Please, what water will you drink?
anyone?
Anyone?
Apart
Okay.
from pure water, I don't like
Can't you sir?
There
My
are
friend, move.
some you.
I'll be back right now, okay?
Do you pay him?
I do.
You pay him?
He just started work
Suck
last
him.
week. And I'm surprised he's misbehaving like
Hey,
this.
he said he's called Ntobro. Can you mention that name?
Tobro.
So bro,
What name is that?
it's a bunny of Winnie Panaho and I said,
Damn.
hey, I have some more.
So what's up, baby? What's up? Talk to me. What's going on?
Okay, well, the issue here is I wanted you girls to meet my boyfriend. Yeah, I've been living with him for a month now. I was in case.
Damn.
Is he from America or?
Chef,
Yes, madam.
come here. Mr. Disposable cup.
He said?
This is for blocks.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me.
Hey, come. What the fuck is it? What's that?
He said?
Clean it.
What do you say?
Clean it.
No, first repeat yourself again.
I don't have a time. Clean it.
What?
Hey. Are you okay?
Hey.
Clean it.
Chef! Hey, God, I'm so sorry. Jane, I'm so sorry. Like,
You need to sack this guy.
I know, I will do that. But you know something, let me first of all introduce my boyfriend to you girls. And then we'll solve any other issue later. Okay, so he is Jordan. Yeah, Jordan, this Goldish. You can call her Jane too as well.
Alright.
And then Beck.
Debbie.
Debbie. Nice meeting you girls.
You're such a nice guy.
Hey.
No, I have to appreciate him. Like,
Thank you. It's okay.
No, don't get me wrong, okay? I have to like.
So thanks for the compliments.
Yeah.
Please, Memo Bian Coben. He's mine and mine alone. Please.
Show me down.
Okay, so I'm going to take you girls to your room.
Okay.
Since you're going to stay with me for a while.
Yeah, we'll be spending some days, you know.
Yes,
Darling, I'll be.
okay.
I hope you're okay.
I'm okay, baby girl. I'm okay.
Let's go.
Follow me. When you're better, do what you can.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Take
2 and 10.